Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable notification history in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to notifications. And here select notification history and turn on this button, use notification history, so that all notifications will be recorded here and they will be shown here. Even if you delete from the original app, the notification will be showing here. Okay, what are the notifications you have received, from whom you have received, for what you have sent to others. Okay, all records will be here. Okay, so in this way you can easily make a track of notifications on your phone. Okay, if you don't want any notification history, you have to turn off this button. Okay, so in this way you can easily enable or disable notification history in your phone Moto G04. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.